na hong i-reconsider ng Supreme Court ang kanya pong posisyon. You know, there's no going around it actually. Kasi I'm quite certain the House will raise it. Kasi I think there are factual inaccuracies in the decision itself. Napapanindigan po talaga ng House when they submit the motion for reconsideration. Siyempre, sasabihin ng iba, you know, sabi hindi naman yan totoo Kong kasi parang they mentioned about sham complaints in the decision. Pero alam po ninyo, what they actually did not mention is the exact situation that I'm describing. Di ba? Ang example lang nila ng sham complaint in that decision, hindi, wala namang sham complaint kasi una, ano naman daw, it needs to be endorsed naman daw by a congressman. Hindi yan sham complaint kasi kailangan naman maging verified po yung petition. Hindi ko nila binanggit this exact circumstance that I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So, gusto ko malaman sa kanila, why did you actually leave it out? Hindi ba? Ito nga yung exact, kasi they were mentioning something about history in the end part of the decision. Parang that they know of history because of the parang yung political fighting that we are, parang ayaw daw nilang kalimutan po yun. Hindi ba? Kaya ho sila, they're putting their foot down today. But we have to be very clear. At binanggit mo na to, Joey. Di ba?
Yeah.
When they mentioned history, why did they actually leave out that part of history where we saw people who are actually filing the complaint every year?
Yes.
Di ba? For people to avoid high accountability.
Yes.
Hindi ba? If they were actually serious about going back to history and correcting something. Hindi po ba?